Most organizations rely on Excel for dashboards and KPI reports. But the hardest part isn't the math, it's the explanation. Analysts and managers spend hours turning variances into narrative. Why revenue moved, what changed, what risks emerged. What if Excel could do that for you with the help of AI with your data staying on your computer? WSI's Smart Summaries template adds an AI-powered layer that transforms KPI tables into clear, decision-ready updates. You enter your KPIs, current versus prior values, and click Generate Summary. Excel instantly produces polished commentary that highlights drivers, risks, and recommended actions. The tone, audience, and output length can be customized to match your organization's reporting style. This saves hours each reporting cycle and keeps your leadership narrative consistent across departments. WSI designs templates that are secure, configurable, and aligned with your metrics and privacy requirements. From finance to operations, sales, and service, Smart Summaries make reporting faster, clearer, and more consistent. Let Excel tell the story for you with WSI's Smart Summaries and Commentary template. Contact WSI today to add Smart Summaries to your reporting process. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com.